Hey foodies, this is Aisha and I welcome you to my channel. Paneer is an integral part of our cuisine. We can cook it in numerous ways. This delightfully spicy dish is basically scrambled paneer or cottage cheese. A perfectly savory, tangy and spicy mixture made with veggies and spices makes this recipe simply irresistible. Check out the ingredients. On medium flame, heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds and let it crackle. Then goes in green chilies. Saute for a minute or two and then add onions. Saute the onions until they turn soft and translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and keep stirring continuously until the raw smell is gone. Next goes in the dry spices. Add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt. Mix very well and keep stirring for a minute on low flame. It's time to add veggies. Drop in chopped tomatoes and chopped capsicums. To make it healthier, you can add more veggies such as carrots, peas, or cabbages. Combine well and cover the lid. Let this cook until the tomatoes and capsicums are soft. Finally goes in the grated paneer. Add some salt to balance the taste and give it a good mix. Cover the lid and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook, else the paneer will become rubbery and hard. This is optional, but some dried fenugreek leaves can be crushed and added for extra flavoring. And finally goes in some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Personally, whenever I want to eat something tasty without spending hours in the kitchen, I always choose this recipe. Isn't it so quick and easy to make? Oh yeah, and healthy too, with lots of protein. This dish pairs well with tortillas and flatbreads and makes an excellent breakfast, brunch, or lunch. Do give it a try. And also like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. See you soon.